Hey mamas, are you tired of working your 9 to 5 and all you ever want is to be able to stay at home with your kiddos, especially during the summertime, but you can't afford to quit because you still have to contribute financially? I know the feeling, guys, because I was that struggling mom. I wanted to be at home so bad with my son, and I was tired of missing out on so much time with him. But me and my husband were living paycheck to paycheck, and we could not afford to only have one income in our household. And then I found the Legacy Builder program, guys, and this is what changed my life. Since then, I was able to quit my 9 to 5. In the Legacy Builder program, we are going to teach you how to earn passive income. Imagine averaging $300 to $900 a day, all while enjoying more time with your family, watching a movie night, or baking cookies with your kiddo. But don't wait, because every second counts to build your legacy for you and your family. Can you imagine what December 2024 would look like if you had the desire to make the change today? I want this to be the best decision you ever make for you and your family, because this is life-changing, guys. Like I said, if you have any questions about passive income and how you can start earning daily pay, drop your questions in the comments and I will answer every single one of them.